The bees. The baby.
Oh, hi. Yeah, you're recording yourself? See, you're recording yourself. See? See, who's that? Who is it?
I'm really surprised that.
Who is that?
Kevin came running in here asking Pat Dad if he could drive his golf cart.
Who is it? Who is it?
Well,
Who is it?
Lawnmowers in front of him.
Who is that? Who is that?
Okay.
Is that Phoebe?
Yeah, I need a new computer.
Is it? Is it Phoebe?
We got it. We got it.
Did you start that defrag? That defrag on his computer?
I'm still thinking, Doc. I gotta find that piece of
It should
paper I
be
had.
done by now.
Okay, you see, if you want to end it.